Hey, it's another Monday Morning with Mike, right here from the Bushman AMETA Center at Mid-State Technical College in Stevens Point. So I'm here with Ryan. He is the Dean of the School of Applied Technologies, and he's really going to tell us where AMETA came from. So Ryan, fill me in a little bit.
Yeah, you bet. So this really came, Mike, from a vision of our college president, Dr. Shelley Monday. When Shelley came to the college about a little over 7 years ago, she held listening sessions with community members. And what she heard was a strong need for manufacturing-based programming in the Stevens Point Plover area, somewhere here in Portage County, engineering technology programs, and then something to do with apprenticeship. So being Manufacturing Month, we'll focus there. Really, truly, this is a collaborative effort of 131 businesses that funded and helped support this, to support those efforts of specifically, in a lot of cases, manufacturing here. We have, since the launch of AMETA and AMETA programming, we have developed new programs that are supporting the manufacturing sector. So specifically in mechanical design, we created a new advanced manufacturing program focusing on that mechanical automation piece and robotics. And then on top of that, we moved over some programming, so precision machine tool, welding, metal fabrication, supporting those manufacturing sectors. So we heard the need and we responded.
And absolutely, I mean, this is an unbelievable site. If you have not had the chance, give Ryan a call. He will personally take you on a tour. This place is phenomenal. If you have a child, a grandchild, someone that is interested in mechanical design, mechanical manufacturing, this is where they need to come. They really need to see what AMETA can offer.